social studies teacher. Here in my room, as you see, we're all nomies, hanging out, enjoying some great learning. We've got lots of fun stuff to do this year. We've got our math charts everywhere around the room for you to look at and reference. We've still got books in here. Maybe some of you know I was a reading teacher last year. I still love books. I still love reading, but I'm also going to have lots of fun teaching math. So we've got a little bit there. We've got our Chromebooks, and we're going to have a little Chromebook station here. We get to have one of these really fun TVs to work on in our classroom. We're going to have our math books and math journals over here. And we're just excited to see you guys and be with you. Can't wait to see you face to face and get to know you better.